Hi everyone, this is Fawaz. Welcome to SharePoint World. Today we are going to look at a common use case. When a user logs into a Power App, we need to retrieve their SharePoint group information. In this video, we will learn how to achieve that. Let us start. This is my SharePoint site. So if you go to here, site permission, advanced permission settings, here we can see the group. So if I check, this all group is empty. Only we have user in RIP group. So when we try to retrieve from PowerApp, we need to get this group name in PowerApp. So let us start how we can do this one. Let me open my PowerApp. The plan is like we'll create one button here. So when we click on the button, we'll retrieve the group name and we will bind those informations in our gallery control. Just I will put one button here. Get group. I will add the gallery control. Okay, fine. Now we have to create a Power Automate flow. We'll pass our logged in user email from Power App to Power Automate. From there, we will retrieve the group information. Then we'll get the data back here and we'll bind in the gallery control. So let me create one flow here. If I go to new flow, we'll create instant cloud flow. I will put get SP group. Get logged in user. SP group will create. So we had to get the email from Power App. So let me add here the parameter logged in user email. Okay. Now we have to use send an HTTP request action. Selecting my SharePoint site. Here we have to give the URL to get the groups. So for that we had to use API web site use. Get by email. Here we have to pass our email. So for testing purpose, we will hard code our email for now. So let me get my email from, let me add one text label here. I can get user dot email. This is my email. Let me paste here. In actual case, you have to pass email from Power App and this parameter you have to pass here. So let me close this one. And here we have to type groups. Groups. So now let us see whether we are getting this one. Okay, this is actually we can pass same here. Now the flow ran successfully. So if you expand this one, here you can see the group name. So basically this is from the title. So let us pass this information into our Power App. Let me edit this one. We'll create a select. So we can directly get that one. So let me put on select. Here I will pass the body. So from the body we have to get from the result. So let me copy this one. Then results. Okay. Now we need to get the group name. So we already observed that group name in the title. So let me add group name, item of, we can put title. Let us see the output first. Let me run this one again. The flow ran successfully. So here you can see we got the group name RIP group. Now the next thing we will pass this to our Power App. So let us see how we can do that. Let me create a respond to flow. Respond to Power App or flow. Let me add. Just we can put output. And here we can pass the output from select. So let me click this one. Let me save. So basically this is working. So now we can change this one and we can give the dynamic one itself. Login user email. Let me save this one. Now we'll try to connect this get logged in user SP group from our Power App. Let me close this one. So here we'll add our flow. So our flow is refresh. So get logged in user SP group. I'm trying to get that from here. I will store into one variable this one. Set group collection. Then we can get logged user group dot run. Now here we have to pass our email. So user dot email. Now under output. So here our collection. So let me first play this one. We have to just update here. Let me save again. We'll try to run again. Just refreshing. Here we got the details. Now let us do parse JSON so we can convert this into a property name. So we use parse JSON function here. If you if you are not aware about parse JSON function, I will give you the link below. Here you can see the parse JSON function. So here we can see how we can convert a JSON to a parse JSON by using parse JSON. How we can convert. So if you check this one, you can get some idea about this one. Email here we will add one more set variable. We can just put the group collection. So this one we can bind in our gallery collection. Just added the output also here. Then we use the group collection. Now let us try to run this one. If I play this one, get group. Here you can see the final collection. We get the group RAP group. Let us bind into our gallery control. Let me remove this one. Here we can put our group collection. Now here you can see this item is not required. So here you can see in the text property this item dot group name. So we successfully retrieve the login user group information. Suppose if I add one more group here. So let me create one more group here. Create a group. Let me add MAP group. Now let me create this one. So we successfully created here the new group. Now let us go to our Power App again. We'll try to get group. So here you can see we got the latest group.